In Lesson 1 of Module 3, we discussed positive and negative integers, which are positive and negative whole numbers. On a horizontal number line, we talked about how positive numbers go to the right. These are our positive integers, and negative integers go to the left of the 0. Okay, we always start at 0 to number our number line. So this will go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then if I'm counting to the negative, it'd be -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. When I want to graph a point on a horizontal number line, I'm putting a dot on the line where that integer is. Okay, so if I want -3, I start at 0, -1, -2, -3. And I would put my dot right on the line at -3. 0 would be located here, and 4 would be to the right 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. When we're looking at a vertical number line, a number line that goes up and down, I want you to think of a thermometer. Okay? Positive numbers are going up from 0, and negative numbers, like below 0 temperatures, would go below 0. So when I number my vertical number line, my positive numbers would count up from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And again, starting at 0 to count down, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. And when I graph the points, it's the same as if it were on a horizontal. This should say vertical, sorry. I would point -1 would be 1 jump below 0, right on the line there where the dash is. 6 would be up right above 5, up here. I could label it 6. And -5 would be 5 jumps below 0, which would be down here. Sometimes our number line will not count by ones. Okay, it might have a different scale. All number lines will count the same thing. It'll be consistent. So if this one, for example, goes from 0 to 2, then all of my dashes will be counting by 2. It won't change from 2 and then all of a sudden count up to 3. I'm going the other way too. So if my positives are going to the right, 0, 2, I would keep with the pattern, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay. Now going to the left, I'm starting at 0 and I'm going left, so it's negative. So it'd be 0, and I'm still counting by 2s for this whole number line. -2, -4, -6, -8, -10. So sometimes you have to be careful and watch out and see if there's a different scale than counting by 1. In this example that we did in class, we had to find out what the scale was. If I know I'm starting at 0 and I'm counting by something to get to 12, okay, I could count how many jumps did it take me to get to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I would take 12 and divide it by 4 equal jumps, which would give me 3. So my scale is I'm counting by 3s. And it should work out. So if I count up 0, 3, 6, 9, and then I end at 12, so I know I'm doing a right scale, and then 15. When I go negative to the left, I'm doing the same scale. -3, -6, -9, -12, and -15. And that would be how you could find out the scale. Here is one last example that we did in class for a vertical number line. Okay, I'm finding out, and below goes negative, so I'm counting 1, 2, 3 jumps to get to 12. So I would divide 12 by 3 to know that I'm counting by a scale of 4. So I would be going -4, -8, -12, -16. And I'd count by 4s going up as well. 4, 8, 12, 16,